For those of you who don't know my background, 22 years of experience within the transportation field, public works field. I'm the assistant public works director for the city of San Antonio. Within that position, I oversee streets operations, stormwater operations, as well as our transportation operations. However, I was missing something. I was missing the mentoring. And that's very important. Throughout my career, I've had some mentors that have helped me along the way. And I really got a strong feel from the city manager that's going to be something that I'll have. I'm not done developing as an individual, as a professional, and I want to work with another professional that can help me to get to where I need to be at. And that's what I truly felt. I felt that, and that I'm going to get that. And I've seen that. I've seen that commitment already. And that's what's very exciting to me within my career, is to have somebody that's going to work with me to help me to develop as a professional. With that, I've also, and some individuals may even ask, well, I'm coming from Texas. Well, this is the Midwest. Well, the Midwest is where I grew up. I've spent the bulk of my career in Michigan. So when it comes to snow removal, which I know is a huge thing here in the Midwest, I've got that experience as well. I was with the largest county in the state of Michigan for a few years, and I was with the Michigan Department of Transportation. So I understand the perils of dealing with snow removal, especially in Wayne County, in Michigan, where you have over half of your budget is dedicated towards snow removal. So I'm very familiar with those challenges that we'll have here. So I'm excited about it. I'm very excited about this opportunity.